Good morning, dear students. Today we will be learning a poem 2.1 The Clothes Line. So, I will read one stanza, then I'll explain. One by one, we will finish the poem, okay? So, let's start reading. Hand in hand, they dance in a row, hither and thither, and to and fro. Flip, flap, flop, and away they go, fluttering creatures as white as snow. So, the poetess Charlotte Druitt Cole is talking about the cloth hanging on the clothesline. To her, they look as they are holding their hands with each other, and they are standing in a row, or might be they are dancing. And she also compares that bird, that clothes that are white clothes. So she compared that clothes with the birds which they are flying in the sky. Now second, like restive horses they caper and prance, like fairy tale witches they widely dance. Rounded in front but hollow behind, they shiver and skip in the merry March wind. Here, the poetess compares the clothes. They are hanging on a clothesline. Clothesline means a robe where we are putting the clothes to dry. Okay, so what she is telling, she compares the clothes hanging on a clothesline to restless horses, that they are leaping with the happiness. You can see the horses are very restless, okay, because they are very happy. As the clothes flutters on the clothesline, they form a bowl like shape that is round at the edges and hollow in the center. And the poets also feel that the clothes are shivering and skipping in the wind. That is, they are very happy during the month of March. Once I saw dancing excitedly, struggling so wildly till she was free. Then leaving pegs and clothesline behind her, she flew like a bird and no one can find her. In this stanza, the poetess say that once she saw someone dances excitedly. So same, the clothes leaving the pegs. Pegs means what? The pins which we are using to hang the clothes. Okay. So what she is telling, the clothes leaving the pegs and clothesline, they flew like a bird as no one can find them. Now move to the next stanza. I saw her gleam like a cell in the sun, flipping and flapping and flopping for fun. Nobody knows where she now can be, hid in a ditch or drowned in the sea. So in this stanza, the poetess tells us that she means the handkerchief was flipping, flapping and flipping with happiness. It flew away so fast. The poetess wonder whether the cloth is hiding in a ditch or may have drowned in the sea. She was my handkerchief not long ago, but she will never come back to my pocket, I know. Now in the last stanza, the poetess is telling that cloth is nothing. It was my handkerchief. and I know it will flew away so far and it will never come back to my pocket. So it flew away, and where it was, I don't know. So, this is the explanation of the poem. We will do the other activities. Have you understood, dear students?